at the Orange Grove.
On into Monday evening, and then we will usher in the next Pacific storm system. It's going to bring in the rain late Wednesday into Thursday. We are mostly clear, upper 30s to low 40s. Partly sunny on Monday. Stray showers later in the day, high mid 50s to around 60. Monday night, rain becomes likely later, overnight low, mid to upper 40s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, scattered showers, mid 50s to around 60. That's kind of the appetizer to the main course, where see again those scattered showers Tuesday. Tuesday night, rain becomes likely. Wednesday into Thursday, rain will be likely as we make our way past the middle part of the work week. I'm Jeff Eno from the Weather Channel Radio Network.
First traffic time, 40 minutes past the hour. You're listening to First Traffic and Weather for Los Angeles.
Hi there, I'm Ryan. I'm Nicole.
And I'm Stanley T.
And we are the Morning Mashup. You can hear us every single XM Hits 1 from 6 a.m. to noon Eastern Time, and we have a lot of fun every single morning.
You have to prepare yourself for the biggest laughs, the biggest celebrities, the biggest stars on the planet, Nicole.
And I'll keep you up to date on what is trending. I'll be spilling all the tea. You do not want to miss us on Channel 2. It's Sirius XM Hits 1. Come hang out with us.
Hear us anytime on the SXM app.
Now, first traffic for Los Angeles.
Good evening. We have a SIG alert now in the mid-city. It's on the Santa Monica Freeway, the 10 East at Normandy. All lanes of traffic are blocked. The vehicle hit the center divider there. That is backing things up to about Arlington. And then in South LA, it's a problem on the 110 South on Imperial Highway. This one's blocking 2 left lanes. And a tow truck on the way, should be there any time. And in Chatsworth, watch for somebody broken down on the 118 westbound at Rocky Keep Road. It's a stalled out car, and that's got the right lane of traffic taken away. And it's been busy through the Cajon Pass, but speeds have picked up quite a bit on the southbound side of the 15. So looking a lot better there. We do on the westbound side of the 210 in Monrovia, between the Buena Vista and Baldwin Avenue. We have a couple of off-ramps that are shutting down. Pasadena, Colorado Boulevard shut down between Orange Grove and Sierra Madre. This is for the Rose Parade tomorrow. And also the 210 westbound Sierra Madre off-ramp shut down until 2. Westbound off-ramp to San Gabriel Boulevard closed now. East 134 off-ramp. Orange Grove closed, and 134 West non-ramp from Orange Grove also closed, and these ramps will all reopen by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And right now in downtown LA, skies are clear, and it's 54 degrees. Now here's the forecast.
At LA, let's take a look at your forecast. Now, we saw all of the wind advisories, winter weather advisories go by the wayside as we move throughout our Sunday. We are going to carry a high surf advisory along the coast on into Monday evening, and then we will usher in the next Pacific storm system. It's going to bring in the rain late Wednesday into Thursday. We are mostly clear, upper 30s to low 40s. Partly sunny on Monday. Stray showers later in the day, high mid 50s to around 60. Monday night, rain becomes likely later, overnight low, mid to upper 40s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, scattered showers, mid 50s to around 60. It's kind of the appetizer to the main course, where we will see again those scattered showers Tuesday. Tuesday night, rain becomes likely. Wednesday into Thursday, rain will be likely as we make our way past the middle part of the work week. I'm Jeff Eno from the Weather Channel Radio Network.
First traffic time, 43 minutes past the hour. You're listening to First Traffic and Weather for Los Angeles.
Hey there, it's Stormy Warren from the Stormy Warren Show on the highway, Channel 56, and always on the SXM app. Join us each and every weekday morning, 5 a.m. Eastern. That's 7 hours of silliness, latest news from your favorite country stars, pop culture, weather, whatever else you want to talk about. 877-499-DRIVE. We're one big highway family, and we love you to be involved. Each and every weekday morning, Eastern to noon Eastern, on the highway and on. Now, Sirius XM.
In East Mid Normandy, probably on the 110.7. This one. For somebody going out Keep Road. It's a stalled out car, and that's got the right lane of traffic. Westbound side of the 210 in Monrovia between Buena Vista and Baldwin Avenue, and we do have a couple of off-ramps that are shutting down. Pasadena, Colorado Boulevard shut down between Orange Grove and Sierra Madre. This is for the Rose Parade tomorrow. And also the 210 westbound Sierra Madre off-ramp shut down until 2 tomorrow afternoon. 210 eastbound off-ramp to San Diego Boulevard closed now. East 134 off-ramp to Orange Grove from Orange Grove also closed, and these ramps will all reopen by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And right now in downtown LA, skies are clear and it's 50.
Weather advisories go by the wayside as we move throughout our Sunday. We are going to carry high surf advisory along the coast on into Monday evening, and then we will usher in the next. Going to bring in the ramp to Thursday. We are mostly clear, increase to low 40s. Partly sunny on Monday. Stray showers later in the day. High mid 50s to around 60. Monday night, rain becomes likely later. Overnight low to upper 40s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday. Scattered showers mid 50s to. It's kind of the appetizer to the main course, where we will see Tuesday night rain becomes likely. Wednesday into Thursday, rain will be likely as we make our way past the middle part of the work week. I'm Jeff Eno for the Weather Channel Radio Network.
First traffic time, 46 minutes.
We're excited. Super Bowl.
Tim's in the Mad Dog with me, Bill Sims, and Chris Russo.
Every Friday afternoon at 4 Eastern, only on Mad Dog Sports Radio Channel 82, or anytime in the SXM app, included with all of our trials and popular plans.
Now, Sirius XM First Traffic for Los Angeles.
We have a SIG working out in the mid-city. It's on the Santa Monica Freeway, 10 East at Normandy. All lanes people hit the center divider there. That is backing things up about Arlington. And then in South LA, it's and at times they were blocking all lanes to on the way should be there any time. And in Chatsworth, launch facility broken down on the 118 westbound at Rocky Keep Road. It's a stalled out car, and that's got the right lane taken away. And it's been busy through the Cajon Pass, but speeds have picked up quite a bit on the southbound side of the 15. So looking a lot better there. We do have some slow traffic this evening on the westbound side of the 210 in Monrovia between Buena Vista and Baldwin Avenue, and we do have a couple of off-ramps that are shutting down. Pasadena, afternoon. San Diego Boulevard closed now. East 134 off-ramp to Orange Grove closed, and 134 west on-ramp from Orange Grove also closed, and these ramps will all reopen by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And right now in downtown LA, skies are clear and it's 54 degrees. Now here's the forecast.
All right, LA, let's saw all of the wind advisories, winter weather advisories go by the wayside as we move throughout our Sunday. We are going to carry high high surf advisory along the coast on into Monday evening. And then we will usher in the next Pacific storm system. Going to bring in the rain late Wednesday to Thursday. We are mostly clear, upper 30s to low 40s. Partly sunny on Monday. Stray showers later in the day. Later, overnight low into upper 40s. Mostly mid-50s to around 60. It's kind of the appetizer to the main course where we will see those scattered showers Tuesday. Tuesday night rain becomes likely. Wednesday into Thursday, rain will be make our way past the middle part of the work week. I'm Jeff Eno for the Weather Channel Radio Network.
First traffic time, 49 minutes past the hour. You're listening to First Traffic and Weather for Good evening. We have a SIG alert now in the mid-city. It's on the Santa Monica Freeway. The 10 traffic are blocked. The vehicle hit the center divider there. That is backing things up to about Arlington. And then it's picked up quite a bit on the southbound side. Looking a lot better there. We do have some slow traffic westbound side between the and we do have a couple shutting down. Pasadena, Colorado Boulevard shut down between Orange Grove and Sierra Madre. This is for the also, the 210 westbound Sierra Madre off-ramp shut down on 210 eastbound off-ramp to San Gabriel Boulevard closed now. Before off-ramp to Orange Grove closed, and the 134 west non-ramp from Orange Grove also closed, and these ramps will all reopen by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And right now in downtown LA, skies are clear and it's 54 degrees. Now here's the forecast.
All right, LA, let's take a look at your forecast. Now, we saw all of the wind advisories, winter weather advisories go by the wayside as we move throughout our Sunday. We are going to carry high surf advisory along the coast on into Monday evening. And then we will usher in the next Pacific storm system. It's going to bring in the rain late Wednesday into Thursday. Mostly clear, upper 30s to low on Monday. Stray showers later in the day. High mid-50s. Becomes likely later.
Son, get out of debt. You don't have any payments, you know what you've got? Money. The Dave Ram Financial XM First Traffic for Los Angeles.
Good evening. We have a SIG alert now in the mid-city on the Santa Monica Freeway, 10 east at Normandy. All lanes of traffic are blocked. The vehicle hit the center divider there. That is backing things up to about Arlington. And then in South LA, it's a problem on the 110 South and Imperial Highway. two left lanes, and at times they were blocking all lanes to try to move that off to the right. They have a tow truck on the way, should be there any time. And in Chatsworth, watch for somebody broken down on the 118 westbound at Rocky Keep Road. It's a slowed out car and past, but speeds have picked up quite a bit on the south. Parade tomorrow, and also the 210 westbound Sierra Madre off-ramp shut down until 2 tomorrow afternoon. .34 west on-ramp from Orange Grove also closed, and these ramps will all reopen by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And right now in downtown LA, skies are clear.
Take a look at your forecast now. We saw all of the wind advisories, winter weather advisories go by the wayside as we move. And we will usher in the next Pacific storm system. It's going to bring in the rain late Wednesday into Thursday. We are mostly clear, upper 30s to low 40s. Partly sunny on Monday. Stray showers later in the day. High mid-50s to around Monday night. Rain becomes likely later. Overnight low to upper 40s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday. Scattered showers mid-50s to around 60. It's kind of the appetizer to the main course, where we will see in those scattered showers Tuesday. Tuesday night rain becomes likely. Wednesday into Thursday rain will be likely as we make our way past the middle part of the work week. I'm Jeff Eno from the Weather Channel Radio Network.
First traffic time, 56 minutes past the hour. You're listening to First Traffic and Weather for Los Angeles.
SiriusXM is the home to the best in podcasts, including On Purpose with Jason.
By your jet.
On Purpose with Jay Shetty is available now, included with old styles and popular plans.
Listen live on the iHeartRadio app.
Star 101 presents a tale of longing and long-lasting scent. Dear love of my life, we were on the 12B bus when I caught a whiff. A scent so fresh, so life-changing, I had to find its source. I didn't know the woman in the pink freshly washed cardigan or the retired mailman next to me. but I knew one of you was my soulmate. Ah, the scent of Gain Flings. Add Gain scent beads for an even longer lasting scent.
Come strengthen your pack at the new Wolf Lodge in Manhattan.